Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by inspecting your composition and layers for common causes. Check for muted layers and soloed tracks first. Verify each layer's opacity setting and blending mode are correct and not causing black output. Confirm the footage file is linked and not offline or missing. Check composition resolution, frame rate, and color depth match the source footage's properties. Look for disabled switches like shy or guide layers hiding content from render. Try precomposing problematic layers and enable continuously rasterize if applicable. Set layer opacity explicitly to 100% and confirm transfer mode is normal. Turn off effects temporarily to isolate the issue, then re-enable them one by one. Use the Region of Interest tool to render a small preview area for faster testing. Render a short segment of 3 to 5 seconds to validate the fix before rendering the entire composition. When exporting, choose Render Queue or Media Encoder with proper channels like RGB or RGB plus alpha. Match export codec and color depth to your delivery requirements to prevent black frames. Toggle hardware acceleration off if GPU drivers cause rendering artifacts. If using proxies, ensure they are current and linked correctly before final render. Keep After Effects and GPU drivers updated regularly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.